जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष माघे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है। जय हिंद। भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे। That's more like it. We are also lucky and blessed to be born in this free country, and it is upon all of us to ensure that we stay free in our thoughts, in our behavior, in our attitude, in our choices, preferences, and everything we do. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us. I'd like to call upon Shravya Manasa, President of Telangana Entertainers Association, to join us on stage for quick welcome speech. Shravya, can we have you on stage, please? This is a TEA initiative. Team. Thank you, Deepthi. Thank you, Sushrit. If you just pass on the mic.
A very good morning, everybody. And a very, very happy 75th Independence Day. So the rain is also supporting, and I don't want to, waste time further. I am really excited to dance with you all together. Are you ready? Join One Nation, One Dance today. And on this note, I once again welcome all our dignitaries, our guests, our sponsors, and all the schools and the volunteers here. Thank you so much. Let's get ready and join One Nation, One Dance.
Are we ready? For an independence come rain dance. Thank you, Shravya. और तेलंगाना एंटरटेनर्स एसोसिएशन और टीसीआई की तरफ से मैं हमारे सभी स्पॉन्सर्स को, स्पेशली आरआर ग्रुप और वासवी ग्रुप को, एज वेल एज ऑल दी अदर्स, एसोसिएशन के सारे मेंबर जिन्होंने अपने अपने तरफ से कंट्रीब्यूट किया इस इवेंट को कायम करने में, सो बिग थैंक्स गोइंग आउट टू एवरीबॉडी. May I call upon all the members of TCEI as well as all the other associations on stage, along with all the choreographers of Telangana Entertainers Association. Dr. Preeti Reddy, it would be an absolute honor for us to have you on stage as we all get ready for One Nation, One Dance. Dr. Shanta Kumar, if you can join us. Shanta Kumari Garu, if you can join us on stage. Chinnam Reddy Garu, if you can join us on stage. Shivani, Vice President TEA, also representative of TEA at the TCEI, join us on stage. Joseph Sundar, sir, आपके लिए कोई विशेष न्योता देना पड़ेगा क्या मुझे? He has been the backbone. Taufik Bhai, आइए. Venkateshwar Garu, please join us on stage. Neeru Mohan ji, आइए. Kiran, join us on stage. All the association members, all the bodies of TCEI, TSLVA, Piyush Shah ji, आपके बगैर ये इवेंट अधूरा है. DJ Anand, come on everybody, join us on stage. Team One Nation, One Dance, Pallavi Valia Raj, Krupa Patel, join us on stage. Deepthi, you can also join us on stage. Yes. Niharika, come on, join us on stage. Sachin. If I'm missing out, Asmat Ali, आ जाओ भाई स्टेज पे. Ravi Bura sir, Sai Chandramouli, come join us on stage. Kiran from V5, please join us on stage. Anu Prasad, join us on stage. Shweta Bhabhi, कहाँ हैं आप? श्वेता भाभी आइए स्टेज पर. ओके, अच्छा लोग Farah, Srinivas, come on, join us on stage. Okay, I would also like to call upon the headmistress, Miss Huma Syed from Birla Open Minds International School. Birla Open Minds International School. Madam, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate all your students coming forward and dancing with us. Can we have you on stage, Huma Syed ji? May I also call upon Miss Sonia Nagpal, Principal, Geetanjali Vedika School. यार अपने स्कूल के लिए तो ताली बजाओ. Geetanjali Vedika School. Miss Sonia Nagpal, can we have you on stage, please? May I also call upon Mrs. M. Shri Lakshmi, Principal. That's more like it. मैं आपके स्कूल में एडमिशन लूंगा. Mrs. M. Shri Lakshmi, Principal, Kairos Global School. Join us on stage, please. मैडम की तरफ से आप सभी को एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी. Last but not the least, may I call upon Madhulata Garu from International School. She is the in-charge principal. If all of us can spread out. Kanchan and Pawan from DEA join us on stage. If all of us can spread out. एक जरा ड्रोन के विजुअल हमें दिखा देंगे आप हमारे एलईडी स्क्रीन्स पर. आधा हैदराबाद तो आज यहीं पर है. And by the way, big thanks going out to all of you for choosing to spend your Independence Day with us. We are obliged, we are honored. Thank you very much. Any other TCI members, if I've missed out on calling out your names? Chari ji, agar aap hain. Srinivas, Farah is there. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए श्रीनिवास के लिए. Harish Gupta from V Caterers. Okay. That's about it. I'm not spelling out any more names. If you're members of the association, please join us on stage for a group photograph. All right. ठीक है. Let's all say cheese. जरा मुस्कुरा के. Okay. I'll also join in the photograph. चलो ठीक है, मैं भी आ जाता हूँ.
Everybody give it up for Ravi Dhulipala.
Thank you. मैं बोलूँगा 3, 2, 1 और आप लोग सब चिल्लाओगे चीज और जितने भी लोग स्टेज पर हैं वो सब अपने जो 32 दांत है वो खोल के दिखाएंगे. ठीक है? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1 say cheese. Here's wishing one and all the lovely people of the country a very, very happy 75th Independence Day. We are lucky, as I said earlier, to be born in this wonderful country. The chaos, the confusion, everything adds up to the colors of this country, and that's what we are proud of. हम दुनिया में कहीं पे भी चले जाएं, हम क्या रहेंगे? भारतीय रहेंगे. All right, now are we ready for One Nation, One Dance? Can we have the choreographers of TEA joining us on? Okay. Everybody, thank you so much. Would request you all. Yes. And we'll have the drone that is capturing everybody who's there. That lady in pink representing the state government. Madam, आप भी आइए यहाँ पे. That lady in saffron representing the National Party. Madam, आप भी आइए. सब हम भारतीय हैं. आइए. Come on. Gopi Garu, please come join us. It's a celebration for all of us. Those standing behind. जो हमारे बाउंसर वाले भैया हैं. बाउंसर वाले भैया, आप भी आ जाइए. That lady in white. Please come, join us. This is time for One Nation, One Dance. The families, the people standing underneath that pagoda, please come forward. Everybody. Do we have all the choreographers of TK?
Hello, check. Spread out, please. Participants, 2-hand distance, please. Make yourself more comfortable. we'll do one more rehearsals, okay? Right?
Madam.
One more rehearsal?
Madam.
Yeah, right.
Amit, एक मिनट. Everybody. Come on. Madam, वो 360 डिग्री जो वीडियो ले रही है, मैडम, इसके बाद में भी वो फ्री में अवेलेबल है. बाद में पैसे नहीं चार्ज करेंगे उसका. आ जाइए, प्लीज. Okay, we want all the members of TCEI team stations in the front.
Spread out, make yourself more comfortable.
Bouncers, people over there, everybody, सारे के सारे आ जाइए. आप भी जो 360 डिग्री बूथ वाले हैं वो भी आ जाइए. बाद में हम क्लिक कर लेंगे. Come on, come here, join us.
Guys, move back after green के पीछे, पूरे green के पीछे. Go back. Everyone. हाँ. Space out. Same thing. One hand distance. Everyone, one hand distance. Everyone, students, one hand distance.
We would also like to recognize the presence of Mrs. Namdari and also Akita
One hand
Malhotra.
distance. Move out. Spread out. First line, spread out. If you can move back, that will be more full.
अच्छा, One Nation One Dance के बाद में Ivan Dhanani from Indian Cube Association has made a mosaic using 625 cubes for the 75th Independence Day. He has made Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi ji and Indian flag. He is a Guinness Book of World Record holder and already has his name in India Book of Records for 2022 for solving cube at a very young age. यहाँ पे उन्होंने लगाया हुआ है. Please go check it out.
After our dance, please go check it out.
Ladies, gents who are there, please come join. It's a very simple and easy step to follow. Correct. If somebody like me could dance, I'm sure all of you can dance. Yeah.